don't laugh at a dying horse, because the kick that it might kick the last might go with you. So guys, do not aggravate the anger and pain that some of us have. Because if you're talking about the Acoli people, save yourself for the best. Save yourself, because guys, I'm telling you, people might be diplomatic, but sometimes we're going to pull the bull by the horn. If you need, I know that Acoli people have no people to talk for them. They don't have anybody in government to talk for them. Leave alone those ones that you have. Don't leave those ones. But there's nobody who is going to talk the truth for the Acoli people, the plight of our people. Ye pekenye ye mutui comme law. Pekenye ye mutui comme law. Ye mutui comme law. Pekenye. Acoli people have gone through a lot. And if there is any single most important thing anyone could ever think to do for them, is to liberate them from the abject poverty that they put themselves in, that put on them. To be specific, you don't know where the cattle for the Acoli people went until now. You don't know. And who did this? You don't know who inflicted pain on them through the LRA war. Who were the perpetrators of this war? And you guys, through the government, you have to answer the Acoli people. You have to tell us right now and now. Tell the people of Acoli who killed their people, who cooked them in pots, who murdered them. You have got to tell us. I know, the Acoli people have nobody to talk on their behalf. But if there is one person who is going to talk on their behalf without fear of contradiction, you will hear it. You will hear even the things that you don't want to hear. Please save yourself for the best. And don't laugh at the people of Acoli with their pain and suffering, whatever they have gone through. Some of them, you perpetrated it on them. You guys, people were maimed, people were killed, people died, people lost lives, people lost animals and properties, people lost their way of living. And you guys want to still abuse us? Pour lo ming, pour moi, pour tu que joke. Me kumwa unye kumwu dano doye mutaka gini titi mutaka chero ganga dano mawi wute. But you don't know what the people of Acoli have gone through. Nobody has the audacity, the mitigating tenacity to tell the Acoli people what they have to do with their land and their property. Leave them in the disarray that they find themselves. Don't aggravate our anger. Don't try that. I don't want to call names here, but don't, anybody who is in that position and you're trying to do anything, don't try it on the Acoli people. And you're sitting on a time bomb, because for far too long, if you have seated on people and you're thinking that you have grounded them and you have put poverty in them and they can accept even 1,000 shillings, 5,000 or sold, you are sitting on a time bomb which you don't want to bring out now. And let me tell you something, the Acoli people will all not die. They will not all die. But someday, someone will rise up and say, that which Hitler or Hitman has started, I'm going to take it on. Even if it's going to cost my life. I'm going to tell you guys on your faces, including President Yoweri Museveni, you guys know exactly what happened in that land. You guys know exactly what happened on the lives of the Acoli people ever since time memorial. I was born in this regime. I've lived for the last 37 years. I've not seen peace in Acoli land. And you guys want to still aggravate us. Stop the nonsense. Please stop. Stop. Don't raise our temper high. No, don't do that. Whoever you call yourself, don't do that.